Today we are learning integration by partial fractions. So let's go straight to an example. Evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral of x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 with respect to x. We can see that this fraction is an improper fraction. So the first thing to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator. We remember how to divide polynomials, so let's go to that. X cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So as usual, x cubed divided by x is x squared. We multiply, that gives us x cubed minus x squared. We subtract, x cubed minus x cubed is 0. X squared minus x squared is 2x squared. We bring down minus x. We go again, 2x squared divided by x, that's plus 2x. We multiply, x times 2x is 2x squared minus 2x. We subtract again, 2x squared minus x squared is 0. Minus x minus 2x is x. That's minus x plus 2x. Then we bring down minus 1. So we go again, x divided by x is 1. And then we multiply, x times 1x minus 1. Of course, this is just simple division of polynomials. X minus 1 minus x minus 1 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, it means x minus 1 is a factor of x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. So what that means is that the integral of x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 with respect to x is the same as the integral of x squared plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. And that simply means x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2 plus x plus c, which is 1 over 3, or if you like, you can write it as x cubed over 3 plus x squared, 1 over 3 x cubed plus x squared plus x plus c. And that's it simply. We take another example. Evaluate the integral of 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 6x plus 10 divided by x squared plus 2 with respect to x. You can see that this is also an improper fraction. So we divide the numerator by the denominator. 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 6x plus 10 divided by x squared plus 2. If we do the usual division of polynomials, we go this way. 2x raised to power 4 divided by x squared is 2x squared. We multiply to have 2x raised to power 4 plus 4x squared. Here I can see that there's no x cubed term here. So I want to write it as I want to just put 0x cubed plus 4x squared just to have a clearer arrangement. Now we subtract 2x raised to power 4 minus 2x raised to power 4 is 0. 3x cubed minus 0x cubed is 3x cubed. 9x squared minus 4x squared is 5x squared, and then we bring down plus 6x. So we go 3x cubed divided by x squared, that's 3x, and then we multiply. We multiply to have 3x cubed plus 6x I need to erase that, sorry. Okay, we have 3x cubed plus 6x. As usual, there's no x squared term here. There's no x squared term here. So I'm going to put 0x squared just for the sake of clarity in terms of the arrangement. So I'm going to write plus 0x squared plus 6x. We subtract again. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. 5x squared minus 0x squared is 5x squared. And 6x minus 6x is 0. So the next thing we are left with to bring down is 10. So we bring down 10. So that means 5x squared divided by x squared is 5. We multiply, that's 5x squared plus 10. When we subtract, 5x squared plus 10 minus 5x squared plus 10 is 0. So here, x squared plus 2 is also a factor of 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 6x plus 10. So that means the integral of 2x raised to power 4, the integral of 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 9x squared plus 6x plus 10 divided by x squared plus 2 with respect to x is the same as the integral of 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. The integral of 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 with respect to x. Yes, that's it. 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. And that simply means 2x raised to power 3 divided by 3 plus 3x squared divided by over 2 plus 5x plus c. And that's it simply. I want to write this. And that's it simply. Let's take another one. Evaluate the integral of 2x raised to power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 15x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5 with respect to x. This is also another rational expression, so we divide the numerator by the denominator. That's in an attempt to express it, split it into partial fractions. But if the denominator is a factor of the numerator, then we just have a simpler polynomial. So that's 2x raised to power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 15x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. So we go again as usual. 2x raised to power 4 divided by 2x raised to power 4. That's x raised to power 3. When we multiply, we get 2x raised to power 4 minus 15 minus 5x cubed. We subtract 2x raised to power 4 minus 2x raised to power 4 is 0. Minus 5x cubed minus 5x cubed. That means minus 5x cubed plus 5x cubed, which is 0. Then we bring down minus 6x squared. Minus 6x squared divided by 2x, that's minus 3x. We multiply 12. We multiply 12 minus 6x plus 15x. So we can just put 0x here. And then we have, when we subtract, minus 6x squared minus 6x squared. Oh, this is supposed to be 6x squared. Minus 6x squared minus 6x squared, that's 0. 0 minus 15x is minus 15x. Minus 15x. Then we have oh, I think there's a mistake here. Let me go over this division again. Okay, yeah, 2x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 4, that will be 0. Minus 5x cubed minus 5x cubed, that will also be 0. So I'll be left with minus 6x squared. So I'll bring down 15x. So minus 6x squared divided by 2x, that's minus 3x. Then I multiply 2 times minus 3x, that'll be minus 2x times minus 3x, that's minus 6x squared plus 15x. Now I subtract again. Minus 6x squared minus 6x squared. Okay, minus 6x squared plus 15x minus 6x squared plus 15x is 0. So this minus this is 0. And I'm just left with 2. I bring down 2. So the remainder is 2. That means the remainder is 2 and the quotient is x cubed minus 3x. So what that means is 2x raised to the power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 15x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5 is the same as x cubed minus 3x plus 2 over 2x minus 5. We can see here that 2x minus 5 is not a factor of 2x raised to the power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 15x plus 2. That's why we have that fraction split into partial fractions. So then this is what, okay. Then that means the integral of 2x raised to the power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 15x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5 with respect to x is the same as the integral of x cubed minus 3x plus 2 over 2x minus 5, all with respect to x. So we can integrate each term individually, so that x raised to the power 4 over 4 minus 3x squared over 2 plus, this will be, what's this going to be? How do we integrate 2 divided by 2x minus 5? Oh, that's ln 2x minus 5 plus c. Plus c. And that's it simply. X raised to the power 4 minus 3x squared over 2 plus ln 2x minus 5 plus c. And if you like, you can write it as 1 over 4x raised to the power 4 minus 3 over 2x squared plus ln 2x minus 5 plus c. Now to another one. Evaluate the integral of 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1 with respect to x. The first thing to do, as we can see that this is an improper fraction, is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So that means 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1. We can just write this as 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x. Now, 2x cubed divided by 2x is x squared. When we multiply, we have 2x cubed minus x squared. Subtract now. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. 0x squared minus 0x squared is x squared. That's plus x squared. So, what else? We bring down 0x. This is just for easy arrangement. X squared divided by 2x is x over 2, or if you like, half x. So 2x times half x is x squared, minus 1 times half x is minus half x. Now we subtract again. X squared minus x squared is 0. 0x minus half x is half x. Now 1 over 2x divided by half x divided by 2x is half x divided by 2x is 1 over 4. So we have 1 over 4. And when we multiply, we have half x minus 1 over 4. So we subtract again as usual, and then we have half x minus half x is 0, and 0 minus 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. So the remainder is 1 over 4. That means the fraction 2x cubed divided by, let's duplicate that. That means the fraction 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1 okay, I don't need the integral sign. So that means 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1 is the same as x squared plus, let me just bring that here. This is just some good tricks that, let me just bring this down. Let me duplicate it. Yeah. So that's the same as so 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1 is the same as x squared plus half x plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 divided by 2x minus 1. So, and then we can resolve this into, so that means the integral of 2x cubed, before I go, I think I can make this simpler. X squared plus x over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 into bracket 2x minus 1. That's 1 over 4 into x minus 1. So what that means is that the integral of 2x cubed divided by 2x minus 1 with respect to x is the same as the integral of x squared plus x over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 times 2x minus 1. With respect to x. Yeah, so we can now integrate individual terms separately. So that means x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2, which is, I want to write this way. This is plus 1 over 2 times x squared over 2 plus 1. What's that going to be? Plus 1 over 4x plus 1 over 4. This is actually, I want to do a rough work here. The integral of 1 over 4 into 2x minus 1 is the same as 1 over 4